Are energy drinks bad for you, and how many can I drink? Energy drinks were introduced around 3 decades ago, and since then the amount people drink is increasing, especially around young people and athletes. These drinks are marketed as increasing your energy and mental focus and reducing your tiredness. However, they have been increasingly associated with serious health consequences. My name is Dr. Anne, and I'll go through what you need to know. Energy drinks contain a variety of ingredients that can have both positive and negative effects on you. The aims are to boost energy, alertness, and concentration. But one of the most important ingredients in them is caffeine. This is a stimulant which can improve your alertness and improve your mood. However, too much caffeine can lead to side effects such as headaches, palpitations, and feeling a little bit jittery. Some energy drinks also contain additional ingredients such as vitamins, high levels of sugar, herbal extracts, and amino acids. So how do energy drinks affect your body? Well, people consume energy drinks for a variety of reasons. One of the most popular reasons to use energy drinks is to increase your alertness and improve your brain function. Multiple studies show that if you have energy drinks, it could improve your memory, your reaction time, and your concentration. Are energy drinks bad for you? Well, the most common health problems associated with drinking energy drinks include, number 1, caffeine overdose. Consuming too much caffeine can lead to raised blood pressure, anxiety, tremors, insomnia, and it's important to remember that you're recommended to have no more than 400 milligrams of caffeine in one day. Energy drinks typically contain around 80 milligrams of caffeine per 8 ounces, which is around 250 ml, or a larger one might contain around 160 and 500 ml. An average espresso is around 180 milligrams. The problem is that these drinks are often made in larger and larger sizes, so that means you're getting a lot more caffeine or additional ingredients. On top of that, several energy drinks also contain herbal extracts such as guarana, which is a natural source of caffeine. Number 2, it can lead to dehydration. The high levels of caffeine can cause headaches, dizziness, and fainting, and contribute to you getting dehydrated. Number 3, they can affect your heart. They can raise your heart rate and raise your blood pressure, especially when you mix it with additional ingredients such as alcohol. Number 4, they often have too much sugar, leading to spikes in your sugar levels. So can energy drinks kill you? Well, in rare cases, consuming too many energy drinks has led to serious health consequences. The high levels of caffeine and sugar has contributed possibly to people having heart attacks or even convulsions. So the quick facts you need to know and my top tips are to remember that energy drinks can be helpful in boosting your energy levels and your concentration, but you need to monitor how much you take. My second top tip is you need to remember how much additional caffeine you are also consuming. That includes drinks and alcohol, that includes coffee and tea, so you need to put it all together. My third top tip is to make sure you drink healthy alternatives such as water, tea, and juices. Another top tip is if you choose to drink energy drinks, make sure you stay away from things which have added sugar and added caffeine or come in large sizes. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was informative.
Yes, the one and only. One thing I want to ask, I've always wanted to ask from someone who is on the medical field, right?
Okay, nice, yeah.
Me, I'm someone who likes to drink this thing a lot. Right?
Yeah.
Tell me, what are the dangers of drinking energy drink?